Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of seed saving, focusing on lettuce seeds. Before we begin, ensure your dried lettuce seed heads are fully dry in the paper bag. This process helps retain seed viability and prevents mold during storage. To extract and separate the seeds from the seed heads, start by gently shaking or rubbing the dried seed heads in the paper bag. This helps release the seeds from their pods. After separating, you'll notice small pieces of debris mixed with the seeds. Use a fine sieve or strainer to save the seeds from the debris. Gentle blowing can help remove any remaining debris. After, transfer the clean seeds into a bowl of water. Swirl them gently to rinse off any remaining chaff or dust. Then, strain the seeds using a fine mesh sieve and spread them out on a paper towel to dry thoroughly. Select small envelopes, glass jars, or airtight containers for storing your lettuce seeds. Make sure they are clean and completely dry before placing seeds inside. Label each container with the seed variety and date of collection. This helps you keep track of seed freshness and planting times. Store your labeled containers in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Proper storage conditions can extend the seed viability for several years. Congratulations! You've successfully extracted and stored your lettuce seeds. By following these steps, you ensure a sustainable supply of lettuce seeds for future plantings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with fellow gardening enthusiasts. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on sustainable gardening practices. Happy gardening!